In this video, learn how to use a workflow in Protege to generate a clear, organized timeline from your case documents, helping you quickly understand key events and build stronger arguments. Access Protege. Select Workflows, then view the General Workflows. Scroll through the page or search to find the Generate a Timeline workflow. Upload relevant case materials. Your documents remain in a secure environment, ensuring confidentiality while delivering trusted legal intelligence. Once your documents are loaded, Protege analyzes the content and identifies key dates, events, and contextual details. In moments, you'll see a structured chronological timeline displayed on screen. Each entry includes a concise description of the event and a citation to the source document, so you can verify information instantly. This transparency ensures your work remains accurate and defensible. Protege transforms hours of manual review into an efficient, streamlined workflow. Instead of piecing together facts manually, you gain a clear factual roadmap, saving time and strengthening your strategic preparation. With Protege, you can quickly organize complex case facts and focus on building persuasive legal arguments supported by private, secure, authoritative legal AI. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.